How to fix Instagram Note music feature not working. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. You will land to the home page. At the top right corner, you can find this messenger icon. Tap on it. You will land to the chat section. Now at the very top, you will find this option of your note feature. From here, you can easily share the note, but now you can also add music to your note by just tapping on this music kind of icon. You can see that this feature is available in my Instagram account, but in the case you don't have this feature, how to fix it? The very first thing you can do is update your Instagram app to its latest version. For that, open your Play Store or App Store. Here I'm gonna open my App Store. Now search for the app Instagram. After app appears, you will see the option of open or update over here. In the case you find the option of update, just tap on it and update your Instagram app to its latest version. But if you see the option of open, that means your Instagram app is already up to date. After completion of update process, you can open your Instagram app and check whether this feature is available or not. If this solution doesn't work for you, the second thing you can do is you have to uninstall your Instagram app and then again reinstall it. For that, long press on your Instagram app. Different options will pop up. Tap on remove app, tap on delete app. After you do that, open your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram and install it. After you apply this process, you can check whether Note music feature is available in your Instagram account or not. In the case both of these solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is open your Instagram app. At the bottom, you will find different icons. Tap on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. After you land to your profile, at the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Now head towards this option of settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down. You can find this option of help. Tap on it. At the very top, you can find the option of report a problem. Tap on it. Select this option, report problem without checking. Tap on don't include and continue. Now here you have to explain about your problem. You can just explain in the way I have done it. Also, you can add the screenshot or photos of the page where Note feature is available, and then you can tap on this option of send. After you report a problem to the Instagram support, Instagram will get back to you within 24 hours, and with that your Note feature will be available. So this is how you can fix Instagram Note music feature not working. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.